nakikita mo ako, kinakabahan ka na.
Oo, kasi Teach, ito gawin natin.
No, Teach, for the past 2 days, kaya ako nagpa-blower sa dressing room mo. Nagulat siya eh. Sabi niya, ba't ka nagpapa-blower? Gusto ko lang. No, but seriously bro, for the past 2 days, you've been thanking everyone here. Your bituins, bro, mula sa akin, at sa buong Cornerstones, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng concert na to bro, we just wanna thank you. Bro, thank you for not giving up. Thank you for fighting. Thank you for honoring God. Thank you dahil hindi ko masabi bro na lagi na sinasabi, diba? It's nice working with you. No, I cannot say that eh. So nice creating with you. Thank you for giving me the trust, bro. Thank you for acknowledging me. Thank you for listening. Thank you for creating this wonderful concert, bro. Like for me, sabi ko sa wife ko, Kaf, dali mo yung mga anak natin dahil hindi ko alam kung mauulit ko pa to. Dahil sobrang ganda, bro. Sobrang ganda. Yung, pati ako, alam ko na yung mangyayari, but I'm still amazed with your stories. I'm still amazed with everything na ginagawa mo dito, bro. Thank you so much. And we just wanna celebrate you, bro. Thank you for your humility na binibigay mo sa bawat isa sa amin dito. The band, alam ng lahat yan, bro. And bro, with Erickson, sinasabi mo kahapon, thank you. Hindi na tayo tinipid, bro.
Hindi talaga kami tinipid. Yung mga braces sa suot nyo, sa inyo po yan. Pwede nyo pong iuwi yan. Souvenir nyo na yan sa concert na to.
Tsaka yung bracelet na yan, ang mahal yan. But with Cornerstone, that's the whole objective.
Yes.
TJ, yun ang gusto namin gawin sa inyo guys. Sa lahat ng between day 1, day 2, day 3, and sana marami pang days kasi ayoko siya matapos. Yun ang gusto namin gawin ni TJ. We just wanna give you the best. At sa lahat ng between, hindi tayo nagkamali ng pinapalakpakan. Dahil napakabuti ng tao. That's why we just wanna continue celebrating you. Wait. Alam ko hate mo to. Hate na hate niya to. Pero bro,
Birthday ko ba?
watch this. Audio please. Andito yung director, nawala lang ako dyan, nawala ng audio.
Hindi natin.
Pwede mag-spill dito. Yes, sir! Palagi, #1 bro, Billboard. But before yan bro, gusto ko tawagin from Billboard Philippines, COO of MMGI and publisher of Billboard Philippines, Andre Vista, and editor-in-chief of Billboard Philippines, Brett Jackson.
Sabi ka dito, kanta natin to. I want you to join me here.
Casey, let's join Casey here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Sobra to.
Casey.
Bonus na to lahat na to. Wow. Birthday to that. Birthday to you.
Congratulations, Casey and TJ. So this is the first time that we're going to do this because for 2024, Palagi is the #1 song in Billboard Philippines. Please, your hand. And tonight, we'd like to give this award to you. So Billboard Philippines proudly presents this certificate to TJ Monterde and Casey Taningan in recognition for ranking number 1 on the Billboard Philippines charts with Palagi. So again, you are the number 1 song for 2024 and you've topped both the charts, the Philippines Hot 100 and our top Philippine songs. Congratulations to the both of you.
Eto, quick question. Who here loves TJ and KZ? Eto, this is a very special award because this doesn't just mean you're number 1 on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music in sales. It means all of those things. You're a number 1 across the board. This is saying that OPM is going different places in the Philippines. Every day, all of you are choosing Filipino music, and TJ and KZ are a representation of that. So thank you TJ and KZ.
Thank you so much. Naging host ako ng show.
Wait lang. Hindi ganito yung in-imagine kong concert.
Concert to.
Seamless
Si
tayo.
TJ sabi, anong next?
Ito naman.
Ay, please, dito ka muna. Dito ka muna.
Ano ba ito? Hindi na-imagine ko ngayong gabi, ha?
Ano na?
Gusto ko malinis yung show.
Uy, Direk, baka mapapropose ka.
Nakakaloka na nag-host ako ng concert, TJ. Okay. Wait guys, there's more.
Ayan!
Nasaan ba tayo?
Ano na yun?
Ilang araw akong nag-sold out si TJ Monterde sa Araneta. 3 araw. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. Ang dami nangyari sa 3 araw na yon. Umabot sa pag-host ko dito.
Ganun na.
Mas kinabahan akong pumunta dito kaysa mag-direct doon, bro. Tapos sasabihan pa ako na stage manager dito. Stretch. That's the worst. Ano bang hinihintay? Wala akong headset. No, but TJ, sige, stretch daw. Anong naramdaman mo dun sa billboard, bro?
Tulad ng sabi ko kanina nga, bigay talaga ni Lord to. Walang akin dito, direct. Wala akong maramdaman. Kayo yung nakinig, hindi naman ako yung nakinig eh. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for making Palagi number 1 sa Billboard. Thank you so much. Kayo po to. Wala akong masabi kundi maraming salamat.
Alright. Sinabi na sa akin, go na.
Show na talaga to, no?
Sure na to. 3 days sold out concert, bro. Kaya naman tatawagin ko rito si Miss Irene Jose, Chief Operating Officer, and Miss Maria Viena Araneta Forest, Director of Special Projects and Events. Bro, mula sa Araneta Coliseum, and Miss Karen Nicasio, TicketNet General Manager. Ma'am, can you go here, please? Thank you. Oh, here, they're here. Ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. TJ, we just wanted to say first and foremost, thank you for inspiring us with your story, with your songs. Maraming salamat. And you deserve all of this, all of what you're having right now. And with that, we would like to present this plaque. This plaque is presented to TJ Monterde in recognition for being the first Filipino solo male artist to stage 3 consecutive sold-out 2025. Presented by Smart Araneta Coliseum this 3rd day of February 2025 in Quezon City, Philippines. Signed by Miss Irene L. Jose, Chief Operating Officer, and Miss Maria Victoria Araneta Forest, Director for Special Events. Thank you and congratulations, TJ. Thank you.
Very good. Thanks so much.